Alright, finally got the chance to review this Zeve. I don't know how to pronounce it. Zeve. It's the tagline is modern masculinity. The shoes are made in Malaysia. Hey, get off! Get off! Come, 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 come. Hey. Alright, let's see. This is the box. Quite nice. We got a hole here. Penny Loafer, dark brown hand painted patina. Okay. RM359, but I definitely paid less, but I got a discount. Inside, okay, they got a bag. Okay. Oh yeah, I had opened it, before, but I left it halfway. So let's see. So it comes in, nice protection. Modern masculinity. Okay, nice hand colored. Leather. So down got rubber, yeah, or plastic. The sole is plastic. Okay, the size is perfect. Maybe I should have got half size bigger, but this is supposed to be worn without socks, so maybe I think it's okay. But I don't know, it feels a bit tight, and I'm used to wearing my shoes a bit loose, so yeah, but it fits perfect. Alright, thank you.